the cleanup crew. Whoa, our beautiful reef looks so different. Where did all this mess come from?
The storm last night was strong, but we can make the reef beautiful again if we work together.
Cleaning? That doesn't sound exciting. Can't we just swim around it?
It doesn't have to be boring, Sheldon. Let's make it fun, like a reef rescue mission.
All right, team. Let's divide and conquer. Pip, you handle the sand. Gilly, gather floating seaweed. Sunny, check on the coral. Sheldon, jump in wherever help is needed.
Got it, Captain Cleo.
I guess I'll try. Just don't blame me if I accidentally make things worse.
No worries, we're in this together. Reef helpers, let's go!
Oops again. Sorry about the bubble blast. That one had a mind of its own.
It's okay. Cleaning can be silly sometimes. Let's help each other out and have some fun while we're at it.
Now that's teamwork. Look how amazing the reef looks now.
And I didn't even knock anything over this time. Much.
We did it together. Teamwork really makes everything better.
Keeping our home clean helps everyone, from the tiniest shrimp to the biggest whale.
Working together makes cleaning fun and keeps our reef happy. See you next adventure under the sea.
After the storm, the reef was gray. Seaweed scattered, the light lost its way. But hearts so bright began to shine. Together we knew we'd be just fine. With a cleanup crew, side by side, with bubbles and brushes and ocean pride. When we all care and work as friends, even the biggest mess soon ends. Sheldon fumbled and Gilly spun. Pip made bubbles just for fun, but laughter rose beneath the sea, turning work to harmony. With a cleanup crew, side by side, with bubbles and brushes and ocean pride. When we all care and work as friends, even the biggest mess soon ends. Corals glowing, colors bloom, fish returning, gone is gloom. A reef restored, our spirits too, all because of what we do. We're the cleanup crew, side by side, with caring hearts we turn the tide. Hand in fin and claw and shell, we keep our ocean safe and well. Cleaning up together makes our reef and our hearts sparkle.